Imagine a telescope. Not just any telescope, but one that has journeyed far beyond the confines of Earth. It drifts silently, a lone sentinel in the vast uncharted expanse of space. This is the Hubble Space Telescope, a monumental testament to human curiosity and our insatiable thirst for knowledge. For decades, it has peered into the depths of the cosmos, unveiling secrets that have captivated our imagination and revolutionized our understanding of the universe we inhabit. Hubble is more than just a tool, it's a time machine, a window into the distant past, capturing light that has traveled for billions of years. Its powerful gaze pierces through interstellar dust and gas, revealing the universe's grandeur in unprecedented detail. From the birth of stars in fiery nebulas to the majestic dance of galaxies colliding, Hubble has captured it all in breathtaking clarity. Its journey began with a dream to escape the confines of our planet and gaze upon the cosmos with unparalleled clarity. When Hubble first opened its eyes to the universe, it faced challenges. Initial images were blurred, a flaw in its mirror, but human ingenuity prevailed. Astronauts embarked on daring repair missions, transforming Hubble into the marvel it is today. Over the years, Hubble has not only shown us distant galaxies, but also exoplanets orbiting other stars and the mysterious realms of black holes. Each image, a piece of a grand cosmic puzzle. Iconic images like the Pillars of Creation and the Deep Field have become symbols of our quest to understand the universe. They remind us of the vastness and beauty that lies beyond our world. As Hubble continues its mission, it paves the way for future explorers like the James Webb Space Telescope. Its legacy will inspire generations to come, urging humanity to keep looking up and wondering. Earth's atmosphere, while essential for life, acts as a filter, blurring and distorting the light that reaches us from distant stars and galaxies. This protective layer, composed of various gases, shields us from harmful radiation and maintains the planet's temperature. However, it also presents a significant challenge for astronomers trying to observe the universe from the ground. Ground-based telescopes, no matter how powerful, are limited by this atmospheric interference. The twinkling of stars, a beautiful sight to the naked eye, is actually a result of this distortion. As light from celestial objects passes through the Earth's atmosphere, it gets bent and scattered, causing the stars to appear as if they are shimmering. Hubble, positioned high above Earth's obscuring atmosphere, enjoys a pristine view of the cosmos. Launched in 1990, the Hubble Space Telescope orbits approximately 547 kilometers above the Earth, far beyond the reach of atmospheric interference. This strategic position allows it to capture images with unparalleled clarity. Free from the blurring effects of air and the filtering of certain wavelengths of light, Hubble can see farther and with greater clarity than any ground-based telescope ever could. Its instruments are designed to detect a wide range of wavelengths, from ultraviolet to near-infrared, providing a comprehensive view of the universe. This vantage point has allowed it to make groundbreaking discoveries that have transformed our understanding of the universe. From revealing the age of the universe to capturing the birth and death of stars, Hubble's contributions to astronomy are immeasurable. Its images have not only advanced scientific knowledge, but have also inspired the public's imagination. Imagine trying to observe a distant candle through a rushing waterfall. The water's movement would scatter and distort the light, making it nearly impossible to see the candle clearly. The turbulent water would distort the candle's light, making it difficult to see clearly. This analogy helps us understand the challenge faced by ground-based telescopes when observing celestial objects through Earth's atmosphere. Our atmosphere acts in a similar way, distorting the light from distant celestial objects. This distortion can obscure fine details and limit the accuracy of astronomical observations. Hubble's position in space bypasses this atmospheric distortion, allowing it to capture images of remarkable clarity and detail. Its observations have led to the discovery of exoplanets, the study of black holes, and the mapping of dark matter, among many other achievements. It's like trading a glimpse through a turbulent waterfall for a crystal-clear view through a pane of glass. Hubble's clear vision has opened a window to the universe, providing insights that were once beyond our reach. Despite its initial challenges, including a flawed mirror that required a series of repair missions, Hubble has overcome these obstacles to deliver some of the most detailed images of the cosmos. The dedication of scientists and astronauts has ensured that Hubble remains a vital tool for discovery. Hubble's deep-field images have peered into the farthest reaches of the universe, uncovering galaxies billions of light-years away. Its contributions to the study of dark energy have provided clues about the universe's accelerated expansion, reshaping our understanding of cosmology. As Hubble continues its mission, it paves the way for future space telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope, which will delve even deeper into the mysteries of the universe. Hubble's legacy is a testament to human ingenuity and our unending quest to explore the cosmos.
The journey to create Hubble was a long and arduous one, spanning decades and requiring the combined efforts of thousands of passionate scientists, engineers, and technicians. The dream of a space-based telescope began long before Hubble's launch, with visionaries like astronomer Lyman Spitzer Jr. advocating for such an observatory as early as the 1940s.
Bringing Spitzer's vision to life proved to be a monumental undertaking, driven by an unyielding determination. The challenges were immense, from designing and building a telescope capable of withstanding the harsh conditions of space, to developing the complex instruments needed to capture and analyze faint light from distant objects. Yet the human spirit persevered. Years of meticulous planning, design, and construction, fueled by relentless motivation, culminated in Hubble's launch aboard the Space Shuttle Discovery in 1990. It was a moment of triumph, the culmination of a dream pursued with unwavering dedication and the indomitable human spirit. Excitement soon turned to shock and dismay when scientists uncovered a critical flaw in Hubble's primary mirror. A slight error in the mirror's shape, a deviation less than the width of a human hair, had a catastrophic impact on the telescope's ability to focus light properly.
The images returned from Hubble were distressingly blurry, far from the crystal-clear views that had been eagerly anticipated. The world watched with bated breath as NASA faced one of its greatest challenges. Could this multi-billion-dollar technological marvel be saved? The pressure was immense. Hubble's success and the very reputation of NASA itself hung precariously in the balance.
A dedicated team of engineers and scientists worked around the clock to devise a solution. They developed an intricate set of corrective optics, akin to eyeglasses for the telescope, to counteract the flawed mirror. The plan was audacious and fraught with risk, requiring astronauts to perform a delicate and intricate repair mission in the unforgiving environment of space. In 1993, the Space Shuttle Endeavour embarked on a daring mission to repair Hubble. This mission was not just another space endeavour, it was a shining testament to human ingenuity and determination. The Hubble Space Telescope, once a beacon of hope and exploration, had faced significant issues that needed immediate attention. Astronauts, specially trained for this unprecedented task, worked tirelessly over 5 days, installing the corrective optics and other vital upgrades. These astronauts had undergone rigorous training to prepare for the challenges they would face in the vacuum of space. Their mission was clear: to restore Hubble's vision and ensure it could fulfill its extraordinary potential.
The world held its breath as the astronauts completed the repairs, their every move scrutinized by millions watching on Earth. People from all walks of life tuned in, united by a common hope that the repairs would be successful. The mission had captured the imagination of the world, showcasing the best of human collaboration and perseverance. The tension was palpable as Hubble was carefully deployed back into space. Would the repairs work? The stakes were incredibly high, and the pressure on the team was immense. Every second felt like an eternity as the world waited for confirmation of success. Had humanity succeeded in fixing its most powerful eye on the universe? The moment of truth was at hand, and the anticipation was almost unbearable. When the news finally came, it was met with an outpouring of joy and relief.
The answer came soon after, when the first images from the repaired Hubble were beamed back to Earth. They were breathtaking. The clarity and detail of these images were beyond anything humanity had seen before, offering a glimpse into the far reaches of the universe. The blurry, distorted images of the past were gone, replaced by sharp, awe-inspiring views of the cosmos. Galaxies, nebulae, and other celestial phenomena were now visible in stunning detail, revealing the beauty and complexity of the universe. Hubble was finally living up to its promise, its vision restored, ready to embark on a journey of discovery that would forever change our understanding of the universe. This mission was more than a technical achievement. It was a triumph of human spirit and a testament to what we can achieve when we work together towards a common goal.